it's me, Amazing Anya, and remember when we, did the, so remember when we did part 1 of the thing, of that little cute parrot? This is part 2 now. So, aren't the birds? Now, to continue on. Wait, where is it? Okay, please give me some tips of where my drawings are. Continuously. Come on, birds. It might just be hiding somewhere. Maybe we just have to scroll down. Can you see it, guys? No. This should be working. Come on. So let's type in parrot. Parrot. Or maybe type in bird. Would it come up? No. Okay. Type in parrot now. Parrot. Come on. Is it like when you do it? No. Does this mean you can't continue it on? Guys, we'll do a different one, and I'll try and find that one if I can. Let's do a lion for a change. I actually want to do a lion. Oh my god, look at all the lions. Oh my gosh. Look at this one. Wait, what the world did I just... Yes! I can't believe I found it. I can't believe it. Oh my gosh. So. Okay, I found the 5. Now it's on to 6. Guys, can you believe that I actually found it? This is actually, I love this. Okay, cool. 6. Yeah, so guys, how's your day? Yeah, it's annoying, right? Because it's okay, guys. Okay. Yeah, because of the skeleton, you guys hate it. I actually feel sorry for you guys if your birthday. I actually feel sorry for you guys for your birthday. I was really upset too because after this lockdown happened, I was really upset. And I don't know, I just went really upset because, I was planning to have a little party today. Yes. Sorry guys. Where are the other 6? Is that it now? There should be all the 6 6s. Come on. Finally, yes. Now, we're on to number 7. Ooh, green. Mm-hmm. I love using this technique so much. Okay. Yeah. Okay, that was good. Can you see it goes from dark to really light? Oh, that was quick. Oh, some here. Oh my gosh, there's so many 8s. Okay. Sorry, that was a chunk. No! Number 4. Okay. So that one doesn't need any I know why that doesn't need any number now. Because it's the I and O. I get it. Alright guys, if you're wondering like, oh no, number 3. Okay, if you're wondering like why am I, you know what, this is really annoying. Okay, number 10. Ooh, I went to pinky. I like pink, but my actual favorite color is blue. Not to lie, but it is. Okay, cool. Oh, no. 6. Number 6. Yeah, cool. We're doing really good, guys. Ooh, it's a nice, like, color. Ooh, so sorry. Here. Boop. Number 12. This is the last one, guys. It's the last one, and then we're done. Then we can move on to a different one, okay? Number 4. Be really careful now. Number 2. What the? Where is number 2? Oh my gosh, we did it. We did it! Oh my gosh, look how cute that looks. Oh my gosh. It looks so cute. Red, blue, green. Wow. It's so cute. Okay. That one's done. So now, oh my gosh, I'm really oh, look at the lines. The really good lines as well. Okay. Which one should we do? Which one should we do, guys? Okay. Yeah, guys, so... So I just had to move in the other room. A dolphin. Wait, let's do a dolphin. Oh, I put lion dolphin together. Dolphin. Wow. Realistic. Should we do this one? Okay, let's do this one. Is that it? Whoa. Wow. That was so cool. Number 3. Look, this is getting good already. We're doing it already. Booming it out. Number 4. Okay, cool. Wow, number 4 is a lot. Oh my god, this is going to take long. Oh, look, a 4 there. See? Double tap. Dip, dip. Last one. Oh, what? Oh. Oh. What? Okay, this is really weird because I think I've done all of them. Fine. Okay, fine. See, guys, this is so quick. Oh no, 4. Number 4, number 4. Eek, I'm scared, I'm scared. Yeah. Okay, where is number 5? Number 5. Number 5. Number 5. Number 5, number 5. No. Okay, that should be it. And it's still not done yet. Guys, help me. Oh, there. How did I not even see that? Finally. Okay. Okay, doing good, doing good. Days. It's okay, Days. Sorry, I'm just looking for Daisy. 6. Daisy, it's okay, it's okay. Shh. It's okay, it's okay. Okay, we're on number 7 already. Okay, we're doing good. 1 second, guys. 1 second, guys. How do I? Okay, 1 second, guys. Okay, I'm back. Ugh. So annoying, Daisy. Trust me, if you think you think I'm spoiled, no, Daisy is. She's always winning the ball every single time. Look at that. My mom's on a conference call. That's why my mom's getting it. This is so hard. Okay, is that done now? Okay, yeah. Do you have a little sneak peek? Oh my gosh, no, we can't have a little sneak peek, okay? Oh, Daisy. The ball is here. Stop trapping. Not a buddy. Daisy's really spoiled. She's just trapping. And my mom's on a conference call. Oh, sorry, there's something in my eye. Is that all the 7s? I literally think that's all. Really. First I have to fix the 1. Oh, and then I have to fix the 7. Oh. Yes, 8. Number 8 now. Oh yeah. Yeah. Okay, cool. Oh no. Why this one? Okay, cool. Quick fast mode. This is so hard. Oh, I'm on number 9. Okay. Once we're done, then I'll show you guys. I bet it looks really good. No. Okay, cool. Okay. Is that all now? Come on. I can't find it. This is so hard and annoying. Was that it now? Oh my gosh. Come on, I just want to go into number. Or maybe if we just skip 10 and we go into 11. Do you know why? Because maybe that will help. Once we've done all the numbers except for 10, we will know where the mistakes were. Get what I mean? If you don't get what I mean, well, just try and think what I mean. Come on. Now it's 11 as well? You're kidding me. Oh, wait. Okay, good. Number 12. Wait, look, I see a 10 there. Wait, oh no, I missed a 3. Yes. Fixed the 10. That's what I meant. See? Because while I'm doing it, I might be able to spot the 10. Oh my god, it's beautiful. Oh, let's do this one. Let's do this one. I like this one. This one's like a nice, cute little tiger. It's so cute. Tiger. So cute. And a lot to do. Well, because I've done so much, we'll continue on to the next video. I do one of these videos every day now. Some of them are going to even be Roblox videos. I might post a Roblox video today as well. You never know. Yeah, so we're going to continue on this tiger today or tomorrow. And I might do a Roblox video today maybe. Yes, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you like and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Yeah, just like and subscribe, and turn the notification bell on so you don't miss any of my videos. Bye.